Hello, so today is day 15. No, this is not a new pair of glasses. This is my, I have two pairs of glasses. Uh, this one are not that strong. I mean, these are stronger than the other ones, so my eyes stress more when I look at something. So, but that's why I don't wear it usually in the everyday life. I wear it when I drive. Okay, so okay, today is day 15, so start. So you can do this. Nice. I also noticed I can do like this very fast. So you can do this. Soon, hopefully, I'll be able to do this very fast. Uh, so let's start with, as usual, I did 2 hours of study, 1 hour of research, 1 hour of sport, 1 hour of reading. I read some book, Experiencing God. I did research on my planner. I expanded it. I did add some more details. I did 1 hour sport. Today I ran outside in the park, and I did some high intensity workout like pull-ups, push-ups, and so on. I did 2 hours of study. 1 hour was physics. The other one was discrete mathematics. And 1 hour, yeah, that's it. By the way, so what I have noticed that is what I've noticed is I have more strength for more activities. For example, comparing to the first week, I was exhausted. The second week, I was tired. Now this is the third week, and I am feeling normal. And what happened was, so so let's say this is my, so let's say this is my day, right? So I in this portion I do study, right? Study. This portion I do study. This portion I do sport. In this portion I do research, and somewhere at 6, well, let's just say over here I do reading. Okay, so can't really see. This is S. So what I have noticed is that at first, when I was doing, it went downgrade, down, down, down. It was hard. It was very discouraging. I didn't feel a lot of progress. But then what happened was, if you're going to do something very consistently, you're eventually going to succeed, right? If you're going to put effort with certain goal and aiming at that goal. And so what happened was I succeeded a little bit. And here I succeeded, and here I succeeded, and here, and even here, even more. And so what happened was, when I woke up in the morning, I am looking forward for this success. And so when I woke up and I do physics, I'm like, hey, yesterday I had a lot of progress, and so I'm focused on this, and I am dissatisfied. Because I want to succeed more, and so I succeed a little bit more, and I feel more inspired. And say, okay, let's go next, and I succeed a little bit more here. Of course, not always, not every day I succeed. Sometimes I succeed. Sometimes here I didn't succeed. In fact, it was kind of hard, very hard. Here, not so much. But hey, I'm already done I'm already successful like at two things out of um at two things. Well, I said I was successful here, but let's say I was successful here, and so the next day I would say, hey, I am successful at half at what I do, and so there's only two things left. Anyways, it's okay. And then the next day I would succeed here and even here. And so what happens is, the more I succeed, the more I'm looking forward in the future. So that's very fascinating, actually. It's not just interesting, it's fascinating, that I found. And because I do these things in the future, I'm also looking forward to add more stuff. So because I'm getting used to it, because I have more strength, I'm more enthusiastic, I have more energy. I already adapted to this schedule. I can already handle the pressure. After the 30 days, I'm going to reschedule my schedule. So I'm really looking forward completing the 30 days and adjusting, adding some more, maybe decreasing some of the other parts. And if I'm bored, if I complete all these things, I can do something else with all my free time and with all my left out energy. And so that's really the goal. Because before I started the challenge, I really had no energy and no time. But now, because I'm disciplined, I have more energy and more time. So that's awesome. That's progress. And that's like the whole thing. When you start, you have no progress, so that's very discouraging. But as soon as there's a little bit progress and you focus on that progress, it becomes bigger and bigger. You magnify. That's all you focus on. You will eventually progress more, and it will be easier to focus on the encouragement rather than discouragement. And well, you have this momentum, that feeling of success. Just, you're moving forward. You have meaning. You have more and more meaning and purpose. You're going to the end to the end goal, where there's going to be a little reward, like I do. And you turn around and you have a habit, so that's good. So let's also make this check mark. By the way, and when I look back at these two missed days, I could have, I thought to myself, man, if I wouldn't miss those 2 days, right now it would be already day 17 of investing in myself instead of 15. So that would be awesome. And I'm not focusing on that missed potential. I'm learning from that, and I focus on the future to make sure that won't happen. In that way, this mistake was worth it, because in the future because in the future, more likely, I'm not going to fail it in that same mistake, and that's how I become better. Yeah. As in the Incredibles, there was a woman named Edna, and she said, "I do not look in the past. It distracts me from my future," which is true, in the sense that you shouldn't focus on it, but I also think you should learn from it. That's the balance. So let's add back marker. All right. Another day, another check mark. And yeah, and if you're going to have a lot of these check marks that are blue, it will be more encouraging. And so tomorrow when I wake up and I'm not gonna feel like it, I'm going to start anyway because I'm looking forward for this check mark. I'm looking forward to in completing my goal. But yeah, I'm going to go to sleep more early, so that's good. That's very encouraging. And yeah, all other activities I'll do tomorrow because I decided that I'm going to sleep when it's dark. So yeah, I'll see you next video.